Okay, in this video I'm going to show how to make an ametrine using just matrix and actually the wire compositor bonus tool. First thing we need to do is assign all the materials that we want, obviously the objects to be. I'm going to do diamonds and then of course an ametrine and just white gold. I'm going to start with the orange part, the citrine part of the ametrine, and so I'm going to assign the gemstone that, and I'm going to go ahead and render that. Go ahead and bring that in. There's the purple one, but we're going to do the citrine first, so I'm going to let this render here. Okay, so we've got the render done of the citrine, and we're going to save that off. So I'm just going to save that on my desktop, and we'll just call that citrine render, which I've already done, so I'll overwrite that. But anyway, so after this render, you save this. 640 by 480 is the resolution I'm doing, and I save that as citrine render. Now, the one thing you can't do is move this once you do that render. You just got to leave this alone. I'm going to click this and assign it a amethyst now. Okay. Then I'm going to go over to Tools and click on the flower. And of course that brings up the Chicago bonus tools. And we're going to go to Wire Compositor. And that builder comes up with a warning that says your model needs to be set in perspective viewport and have all the materials assigned. Do you want to continue? And I say yes. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, this brings up the matrix shiny wires. And what's going on behind it? Let's see if I can get over. Yeah. Now it's doing the amethyst render. So I'm going to hit pause here and let it render the whole thing, and then it's going to load that render up here in the window. So I'm going to hit pause here. Okay, so here's the finished render. I don't know if this green line is in there, but if it is, it is. So the first thing you do is pick the current V-Ray render for the first image. And I always just pick it for the next image too, because you have to have something up here. Okay? And so you can pick anything. Then what you do is you double click that picture and it brings up a browser window, and I'm going to pick citrine render and load that. So now we have the yellow and the purple. Now, the next thing that we have to do is, what I like to do is take the blend down to 1. Now, the divide is where is the line dividing the two pictures. Okay, and right now it's going to be straight up and down, right, 50% over. So from the left this way, angle 0, straight up and down, and blend is how hard the edge is. So we'll hit go, and we see no difference. But let's take this back over here and hit go. Oh, wrong way. We gotta go past. So let's go this way. Go. There we go. So now we see the blend, and this just makes it easier to see. We can always change it. So let's take the angle and go to 50 and hit go. And now it's going on this angle. So let's go up probably around 60 and take this back toward 50, and we'll walk that up. Let's see, let's go that. There we go. And the angle, or if I'm going the right way here, and let's go blend 3. Yep. So it all depends on how much you want that to be, and we'll go down just a little. So there you go. That's how you can do an animatrain. And at this point, you go up to File and say Save As, and whatever file format you want. I got all these windows floating around here, but however you spell that, and that's it.